Hello, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to everyone on this channel, on this page. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, wherever you might be listening from. This is 5 minute health benefits with tunes. In this channel, thanks for coming, thanks for liking our page, and thanks for sharing. Thanks for comments and thanks all the time. And this morning, what have we got for us today? Ní àárọ̀ yìí, a máa kọ́ra wa bí how we can heal up àwọn smokers, àwọn tó bá ń mu sìgá, how tí bí wọ́n ṣe lè heal strengthen lungs wọn, bí wọ́n ṣe lè heal up lungs wọn. You know they cough a lot. In this channel, I will be speaking in Yoruba and English. So, ní channel yìí, ní àárọ̀ yìí, a máa sọ fún ra or I will be teaching you how to prevent any diseases that goes into your lungs, or bí ẹ ṣe lè heal up lungs in up. How you can treat your lungs, because you know when you're addicted to something, how you can treat it, you know, your lungs. Because when you are a smoker, most especially at night, you will be coughing seriously at night, and need short breath, you know, and all the time phlegming mama wa ni de ba se n wúkọ́. So that's for àwọn tó bá máa ń smoke, you know. So and you can only prevent it if you're addicted to it. So there's nothing one can do about it. And then stop it. It's what you can determine to stop by yourself. If you have made up your mind you want to stop it, well, but all we can do now is just to help you on what you can do for your lungs. Kò tí ẹ lè ṣe láti lè clear lungs yín, and to máa fi reduce the ikọ́, most especially at night if you want to sleep. And these are what I've got now that ẹ lè lò láti lè fi heal àwọn lungs yín. The only thing you're gonna do is ẹ máa brew hen. So this is mainly for smokers. Tí ẹ bá wúkọ́, tí bóyá bí kẹ̀lẹ̀bẹ̀ bá ń jáde ní tẹ́ bá ṣe ń wúkọ́, or tí kọ́ yẹn bá serious, or tí, you know. So what you can do, let me just tell you what you can take. Bóyá ẹ máa no, you will be taking warm water. Bóyá tẹ́ bá fẹ́ sùn lálẹ́, you make sure you take, is either you take milk, hot milk, or you take hot yogurt, or you take warm water. Then it's very good to take green tea as well. Green tea, wow, okay, no. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ sùn, at any time tí ẹ bá feel like taking it or taking something. So all this I've got now, I won't be blowing them, to prevent you from coughing, and take a money kẹ̀lẹ̀bẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ń wúkọ́, then ó tún máa jẹ́ kíkọ́ yín kí ó reduce. If at all you want to smoke, or you are smoking, or you are about to, or you are on it, or bóyá ẹ ti fi sílẹ̀, you know, mu sìgá mọ́, ẹ ti fi sílẹ̀. So and you still find yourself coughing, you still find tẹ́ bá cough kẹ̀lẹ̀bẹ̀ yẹn ń jáde, you know, or you want to heal your lungs totally, you can go through all these items. They are real herbal treatment, 100% herbal treatment that you can use on this. These are 5 minute health benefits. This is 5 minute health benefits with tunes. So let's go there. Number one, the water is boiling at the moment. Did you see that? Mo ti ń gbómi kaná, so that àsìkò wa má pẹ́ jù. Mo ti ń gbómi kaná. It's not going to take much of our time. Mo ti gbómi kaná. So the next thing I will be doing is to be adding. Did you see that? These are all what you will use. This is peppermint. Did you see? This is peppermint. You can get this peppermint from herbal shop of your choice. Any herbal shop of your choice, you will get that. Let me jẹ́ kí n máa lò ó bí bá ṣe ń ṣí, bí bá ṣe ń sọ nípa ẹ̀. Ṣẹ́rí, ó ní scent tó ní bí ṣe àwọn pé tẹ́ bá ńlá treble, the Nigerian treble, so it has that smell of it. So I'm going to be adding a little bit. See, omi gbóná tí mo ti ń boil. Did you see that? I will be adding a little bit. Did you see that? I will be adding a little bit inside it. Omi gbóná tí mo ti ń boil. I will be adding a little bit of peppermint. And this is the carve. Did you see the green tea? Sherry, green tea. So you will need a green tea. But the first time, ema kọ́kọ́ lò gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí mo gbé sílẹ̀. So subsequent time, ema máa lò, even tó bá jẹ́ pé tẹ́ bá fẹ́ mu tea lásán, kẹ́ mu green tea. Or if you want to go to bed tonight, you can only use a green tea and maybe one of those things. Can you see that? You can only use that. Any of it, ni kẹ́ mú. Ó lè jẹ́ kan, ó lè jẹ́ méjì, ni kẹ́ mú, you know. So reduce your coughing at night when you're sleeping, and bí a tí ẹ bá ń wúkọ́ kí phlegm má máa jáde. So we will put in the green tea as well. You need just one of it. Did you see that? Just one of it inside it. Did you see that? Multify your concealer. So the next thing is mint. Did you see? Fresh mint. Fresh mint. Fresh mint. You will get it in any shop of your choice. If you can get it in any, it's not necessary it should be an herbal shop. Any bit about things, grocery shopping, and you mint here and there. I will be adding that as well. So parsley and thyme. Did you see that? I will be adding this parsley and thyme as well inside it. Did you see that? None of that one. Gbogbo eléyìí tí mò ń ṣe yìí, à ń brew ẹ̀ ni. Did you see the pot? Sherry. Tẹ́ bá ti mú glass cup ńbẹ̀. Now, then bóyá tẹ́ bá tún feel like ẹ mú before, anytime tẹ́ bá feel like ẹ tún mú, you can still zip it and add a little bit of water to it. Ó máa dàbí ìgbà tí ẹ mọ̀ tá bá ṣe àgbo, tẹ́ máa máa fi omi sí, tó tún máa máa toró jáde, but you can only drink it just 3 times and can share another one. So I will be adding the parsley and my thyme. You see that it comes like this? Did you see? It comes like this. Did you see that? So I will be adding it. I will be adding as well inside it. Everything has been washed with salt. Everything has been preserved and washed with salt. So you will be adding that as well. Then the next one is rosemary. Did you see that? Most especially about abroad, where it's by winter. Did you see that rosemary? It's by winter, you know. We are always very cold. You want to take something hot. But yeah, you about to quit smoking, but you still find yourself whatever wuko kelebe man jade. If you about to quit smoking, if you want to sleep at night, where you have already quit smoking, and you call your man down, so you can still take all this as well. So this is my rosemary. I will be adding a little bit of it inside it. I'm a brew any I'm a brew any. So the next one is turmeric. Do you see that? That's turmeric. Did you see that? You can get all these from Ibiti Ebatinche shopping grocery. You can get that in the Tesco, shopping mall, anywhere of your choice, or Abba shop or vegetable store. So this is for smokers. So that's it. I will be adding just a little bit. You see what I'm doing? I'm a brewing and they can increase the noise so that I increase the noise. I let it for me I will be adding a lime to it as well. Just half of it. I'll keep half to cook. I'll keep, you chop it into a little bit. I'll keep half to cook. We are a day or 2 days. The about to first share again. I will be adding that to it. Oh, madam, big batten say bony. You know, so I will be adding apple as well. It's very, very good for the body as well. Odago apple no. You see, mama chop it. But the big batten say agbo. Ṣé mo pé nínú agbo oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ni wọ́n máa kó fún yín láti sè. So oríṣiríṣi nǹkan lẹ́yìn ẹ máa sè sínú àgbo yẹn. You can get a small pot like this one, like the way I'm cooking it, like a small pot tí mò ń lò ńsìn. Like the way I'm cooking it, you can get a small pot. Did you see that? With a lid. Did you see that? So that by the time tí ẹ bá sè tán, it might take you a day, 2 days. The maximum of 2 days. If you mamu, the first one, so boya emeji lojo. The second, most especially at night, if you want to sleep, the second time, ijo keji, etumamule emeji, most especially at night. The emajeko warm, show you. So emachoke, trash it out. And you get another fresh one. So I will be adding my ginger now. Don't worry, I'm going to list everything how my list will continue. Yeah, sita, so that it's just a little. Sorry, mutigesi meji. So what I will do now, ni wípé mi ò ní ṣe epo ẹ̀yìn. So mo máa gé gbogbo ẹ̀ sínú ẹ̀ ni. Because epo ẹ̀yìn náà ó ní nǹkan tí ó máa ṣe lára. Ó ní nǹkan tó máa tún ṣe nínú lungs yín náà. Epo ẹ̀yìn náà. So I will be adding that as well. Did you see that? Ẹ máa ṣe díẹ̀. ẹ má jẹ́ kí ó pọ̀, because you will use it the next day as well. So you should be taking it maybe like every 2 days. So depends. She half it. So you see, I'm gonna be cutting it into bits as well. You see that? I'm gonna be adding that as well. So sherry pot it that be agbo gongon. What that be agbo? Sherry pot it that be agbo gongon. Sherry. What it that be agbo? You will brew any for just 10 to 15 minutes. Did you see it's coming out so nicely? Sherry pot in sorrow jade. Sherry pot me has change. Did you see that? This is fún àwọn tó bá mu sìgá. So that he come and your lẹ́nu, but tẹ́ bá ti quit láti má máa mu sìgá mọ́. You still find yourself coughing all the time, or ó dá fún ẹni tí ó bá tún wúkọ́ náà. Tí ó bá ń wúkọ́, you know, tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ṣe mọ̀ pé àwọn ikọ́ kan máa ń wà tó jẹ́ pé alálẹ́ lẹ́yìn èèyàn máa ń wúkọ́ yẹn. So if you want to give it a try as well, you know, if you want to give it a try as well, Ellie, go ahead and try it. Mainly, it's good to cleanse your lungs. Because it's good to cleanse your lungs. I'm not smoking, but I'm going to be having it just to clean my lungs, you know. I'm going to be taking it. I'm going to be having it to cleanse my lungs. You see that? So because so for the main time, I'm gonna cover it because mo fẹ́ kí ó kó jiná. Ṣé mo pé tá bá ń ṣe àgbo náà, a máa ní láti cover it up so that a lè sọ dáadáa. So that's what I will be doing now for the next 2 minutes. Mo ti cover it, Sherry. Mo ti cover it, so it's gonna be there for the next 2 minutes. So kí ni eléyìí wà fún? It's good for a chronic cough. About smoker, if you are a smoker and you find yourself coughing, this is very, very good. This is a natural remedy. Recipe, sorry. This is remedy at the same time. This is a natural recipe for you to take. If you have a smoker and you find yourself coughing a lot, most especially at night, and it's a chronic if your cough is a chronic one, and that is going to last, or and you find it very so difficult for you to quit smoking, this is what you can do to help yourself, you know. Mostly you take it at night if you want to sleep, you know, and to reduce your cough. And you take it you take it at night. Then maybe if you want to add an organic, but I'm not going to advise you to use an organic honey with it. Just take it like that. It's not all the time you take honey. But you have to do this for the first time. If you find yourself chronic, you know, if you are smoking and you are coughing all the time, if you want to sleep, you do this, can move for 2 weeks, you know. So teba move for 2 weeks. So ba wa ya mu omi gbóná, e ma fi what's it called? Organic honey sunu omi gbóná, or ke ma mu this green tea as well. And you see that? This green tea. Bóyá tẹ́ bá kàn fẹ́ mu tea, ẹ mu green tea yìí pẹ̀lú organic honey as well. Also heals the lungs, you know. Then tẹ́ bá tún máa steam. You steam your lungs as well. Bóyá tí ẹ bá gbómi kaná, ẹ máa kọ like you inhale it, you know. You steam your lungs. You open your mouth and you steam your lungs as well. As then then you take hot yogurt, then hot milk as well. And make sure pé tó bá ti ń lọ síbi ọwọ́ alálẹ̀, don't be taking something cold. The bottom line is don't take anything cold. You take anything the Bible says, tó bá jẹ́ fluid, ẹ jẹ́ kó máa jẹ́ nǹkan tí ó warm. That's it. So I think let me put off the gas now. I think it's okay. That is good. But you brew it, Shelly. This is very good. This is very good. But you can take this. You see that? This is very good. It's very good. You can take that as well for your coffee. Bring it out. This is all you need. Did you see this? Did you see the color of it? Let me set the camera so that you can see it properly. Did you see the color of it? This is all you need. See, this is all what you need to cleanse your lungs when you are seriously coughing. You know, you find yourself coughing at night. I'm going to back to your crew because she might need it. Do you see that? Let me take this out so that you can see. You do see that? This is all you need to take at any time you find yourself coughing. If you are a smoker and or you quit smoking and you still find yourself coughing seriously, then or you find yourself, if you are not even smoking at all, so you can try this recipe as well. It's a natural recipe and that you can use. So lastly, what you're gonna do now is gonna put a tea. That's decaf tea, green tea, decaf green tea. So MFC in just one inside of it. Did you see? I've put in one inside it. You see, I've put in one inside it. So you just leave it in there. You see, let it sit there. Just go one there. So this is all you need. Thanks for coming. Thanks for sharing my page. Thanks for your ideas. And thanks for liking my page. Thanks for liking what I do. Thanks for coming. Cheers. Bye.